In this video, I'll show you how to join groups in LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, if you want to, let me say, I want to search for a group about, let me say, camera, right? So once I click on this camera, I want to show you how you can join groups on LinkedIn. So click on the camera groups. Once I click on camera groups, you'll be displayed with some options right here, right? Aside the camera, okay, you can see this group right here with 7,000 members, digital camera, right? So I'm gonna click on it because I want to join the group. So what you're gonna do, if you want to join groups on LinkedIn, click on this join, right? Your join request is sent to your group admin. It will notify you once you are approved, right? So you can see I just joined this group right here, and once my request has been approved, I'll be able to join other entrepreneurs right here, interact and communicate. If you want this video before, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.